Hi, I'm Joe Laker and this is the Great British Chef's Signature Series. So Cam 71 is a chef's table restaurant. We serve 16 covers a night, just one tasting menu. So the ethos behind it is that we champion growers in the UK. People get shocked the fact that I'm serving them a salad at a 15-course fine dining restaurant. For me, this really sings about our ethos. I feel like the dressing is a bit unusual, like the smoked rapeseed. It kind of offers like a depth of flavour. And I mean, we add caviar to it at the end, a decadent way of making it refined. So I'm Joe Laker. I'm head chef owner of Cam 71 in Hackney. We are a modern British restaurant and we're going to be doing a salad with smoked rapeseed dressing and caviar. This dish really celebrates our ethos. We use a supplier called Shrub. They champion sort of biodynamic farmers and growers, and they have just a variety of lettuces, bitter leaves, and then we just try and showcase that in the best way with a simple dressing. So the first step is to make the dressing. So we have some English mustard here. After that, just add some cider and perry vinegar. We have some raw spring black bee honey, so just to add a little bit of sweetness to the dish. We then have some raw garlic, which we just grate really fine. Season it with a bit of salt and pepper. And we just give it a good whisk to incorporate all these ingredients before we start adding the oil. So I'm just adding in the rapeseed oil slowly, just whisking it, adding a little bit at a time and emulsifying it properly. You don't want to add too much, otherwise it will split. So we've just finished adding all the smoked rapeseed oil now, so it's all emulsified into a dressing. And we're ready to dress the salad leaves. So we've got a selection of leaves here. We have Castelfranco, which is a bitter leaf, so it adds a bit of acidity to the dish. We then have some red oak lettuce. We also have some bib lettuce, which all come from Shrub. So these are typically leaves that start to grow and flourish in the late sort of summer going into autumn, so these are really great at the moment. Just get a selection of those. And we just add a couple of spoonfuls of the dressing. Give that a good mix. So we're just adding the lettuce to the bowl now, and then we can start garnishing it. We don't need to add any salt and pepper to the leaves as we dress it, because the dressing has salt and pepper in. So now we go with the crispy shallots. So just add some texture to the dish, much like croutons would in a traditional salad. It's a small portion for us because we're a tasting menu restaurant, but it is a very hearty dish because of the dressing. That smoked rapeseed oil adds like a lot of layers to the dish. We have some various flowers as well, which are grown by Shrub. We have some sorrel flowers, have some corn flowers as well. These are marigold flowers. So the marigold flowers just has a citrusy taste, so it's a way of kind of adding some zest to the dish without adding lemon, because we're a British restaurant, so we don't use traditional citrus. And then got some courgette leaves, so the leaves of the plant that the flowers grow on. Again, this adds some more citrus to the dish. And then we're going to add some caviar to it, because people are horrified that we're serving them a salad. We soften the blow a bit by giving them a bit of caviar. So we use Exmoor caviar, so been working with those guys for a long time now. Very ethical when it comes to caviar. They also sell their sturgeon meat when the time comes, which is a long wait list, so it's very hard to get, but it's nice to be able to use the whole animal. Traditionally, sturgeon isn't used; it's just killed for the caviar, and then the meat goes to waste. So it fits into our ethos, and it's great for us to be able to use the whole fish. So this is my salad with smoked rapeseed dressing, caviar, and crispy shallot.